Hello everyone, welcome to poster presentation. My name is Rama Raghav Kumar Kotti. I worked as head plant operations at Indo German Petrochemicals Limited (IGPL). I have total 30 years of experience in fertilizers and petrochemicals. I have written and published more than 12 papers. I have commissioned few fertilizer plants also. I am a senior member in AIChE and my contact details are shared here. Myself, Mr. Panchi, President Technical and Production, will share a paper on IGPL experience of replacement of catalyst with next generation catalyst for production of phthalic anhydride. In this paper, we'll share how we have evaluated the performance of the catalyst and our operational experience gained. The animation shows our reactor scheme. Gas is flowing on the tube side and salt solution is circulated on the shell side with the help of two pumps. The reaction is exothermic. Hence, the heat generated is removed by circulating the salt solution. The reactor has 15,000 tubes. Tubes are filled with multi-layer catalysts. Our goal is to improve the yield, plant load increasing, and long-term stable plant operation. We wanted to improve our plant productivity. At the same time, Catalyst vendor also has come out with the latest version of the Catalyst. We have used various methods to evaluate and compare between old Catalyst and new Catalyst. Detailed laboratory analysis, plant parameters comparison, increase in daily production, and various other methods which are discussed in the presentation. We were benefited by additional production, better catalyst life, and better plant operation. Our future aim is to have uninterrupted plant run and maximize the catalyst life. Now, who will benefit from this topic? All industrial personnel, especially chemical and petrochemical industrial personnel, plant operating personnel, and technical service people, and remaining all others. If you have any doubts, please contact me. Let us have more interesting discussions during our question and answer session. See you there. Bye.